Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So this is a case that first of all, we will do this in two phases. In first phase, we will try to create two different functions in same class, and later we will try to use and then in on these two functions. So let's create one class. Let's remove all. Remove. So going to create a new class. Let's call this methods from function interface. Right, that's done. Let's create main method, done, and let's get function now. So function, now we are pretty much comfortable, so we can write without any taking reference. So it takes integer, and because if I talk about this, it's giving and multiplication to always integer value. So result will be always integer type. So let's call this f1 equals, and idea is and multiplication 2. Done. Let's copy this, and this time it will give you square. So f2 will give us square. Okay, done. Let's test them. And what's, oh, of course, sorry, we have not used that arrow function. Okay, it's good now. So we have our lambda expressions ready. Let's test the first f1. So f1 says f, what f1, let's say multiple of 5 with 2 is, and then we will call f1 dot apply, and I'll pass 5. Okay, let's see, it should give 10. Okay, working. Let's test the next one. It says square of 5, because I'm going to use f2 here. So square of 5 is, and then pass, oh, that remains 5. I need to change it to 2. Okay, so this should give 25. Yep, we are getting it. So f1 is doing some operation which is a multiplication of 2, and f2 is doing or giving us a square. So it's possible that in a single method you can have multiple function interfaces called, like a lambda with, and by using lambda you can, you know uh, write some short code, and it will be quite concise and easy to use. You don't have to write big classes for this purpose, otherwise you might be writing some classes for implementing this interface and then working on that. So here we just write the, like, multiple function interfaces in same method. So in next video we will see how to use and then method on these functions. So thanks for this video guys, let's see you in next video.